The era of taping speaker wires to your baseboards just to get that theater feel is finally dead and gone. We are looking at a modular beast that promises to turn a standard living room into a full cinema without the cable spaghetti mess. Most soundbars are just long static tubes of plastic. This Skywave audio system is different because it actually comes apart in sections. It feels more like building blocks for adults who really care about how their movies sound. You snap the pieces together. Suddenly, you have a massive, stable bar. It looks very premium on any media console. Then you have these wireless rear speakers. That is a total game changer for anyone living in an apartment or just hating the sight of cords. You place them behind your couch and the room transforms instantly. The heart of the rumble comes from a massive 10-inch subwoofer. It is not subtle at all. In fact, when you first plug it in, the bass might actually be a little too much for a small space. It can shake the floorboards. It might even vibrate your coffee table if you are not careful. This is a full surround setup with dedicated height channels. That means sound is coming at you from every single angle. When a car drives across the screen, you hear the engine move from your left ear all the way to your right. When it rains in a movie, those high channels make it feel like the drops are hitting your ceiling. It is not quite as perfect as a professional theater with speakers bolted into the rafters. However, for a wireless kit, it gets surprisingly close. Setting it up is actually pretty intuitive. You unbox the modular pieces. They lock together with a satisfying click. No tools are needed for the assembly. You put that big sub on the floor near the screen. Keep it out of a cabinet so the air can actually move. If you tuck it away, you lose that punchy impact. Connecting it to your television is best done through the high-speed return port. You can use optical or even wireless sync if you are in a hurry. Once it is on, the system usually finds its siblings and pairs up automatically. You will definitely want to dive into the settings though. The out-of-box tuning favors the low end very heavily. It is great for action movies where things blow up. It can occasionally swallow the dialogue if you do not balance the levels. There is an app for adjustments, but the remote is just as quick for toggling between movie, music, and gaming modes. Gaming is where this thing really shines. Hearing an opponent sneak up behind you adds a layer of excitement you just do not get from standard speakers. It is less about achieving studio perfection and more about raw cinematic power. You are trading a bit of fine-tuning for massive convenience. If you want a system that feels like a professional rig without the headache of an expensive receiver, this modular setup makes sense. The modular design also means it is easier to move if you decide to rearrange your furniture next month. You are not stuck with a single unyielding piece of hardware that dictates your room layout. It adapts to you, which is exactly what modern home tech should do. Whether you are watching a high-octane thriller or a quiet drama, the clarity remains impressive as long as you take 2 minutes to dial in the equalizer. It bridges the gap between those cheap, teeny bars and the high-end systems that cost as much as a used car. It is loud. It is deep. It turns a quiet movie night into an actual event. Just be prepared to turn that bass down if the neighbors start knocking on your door during the late show. It is an impressive leap forward for home audio that stays out of the way until the action starts.